guys, so today is the last day that this young lady will be single digit. As of tomorrow, on the 23rd of August, she will be 10 years old, double digits. So, I can't show the naked man. Look what Maddie's wearing. Oh my gosh. When Destiny was born, how many years ago? The twins, they were baby. They were just one year and how many months? 9 months? August, September, October, November.
Right.
11, 12. Yeah, they were 1 year and 9 months older than Destiny. And I had these shirts made for them that says official big brother of Destiny. Okay, I'm gonna have to strangle her. What it says? Show it to me. Of Destiny, Eliana, August 23rd, 2008. And look who's wearing it. The youngest of the family. Are you going night-night? You gonna go night-night? Huh? You gonna go night-night? Why are you putting the plastic shoe on? You're like the queen of plastic shoe.
That's it. It's waiting for you to bathe.
Say goodnight, guys.
Waiting for me.
Say goodnight.
I'm trying to bathe right
Good night. So yeah, guys, my baby will officially be 10 years old and her old father will be 31 tomorrow. Because she was born on his 21st birthday. So not only is it Destiny's birthday, it's my husband's birthday as well. So go ahead and wish him happy birthday for me, guys. I'm gonna cry.
Make me waffles in the morning.
Make you waffles?
Yep.
Ow, stop pulling my hair. Say bye. Say bye. No? No, it's not a picture. Say bye. Say bye. Good morning, Leah. Good morning. Like your pretty dress. It is so pretty. Where are you going? Leah, where are you going, baby? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where's your Jason and Daddy?
Daddy?
Oh, Jason's over there. Good morning, people. I'm getting ready to go to church. I haven't vlog. I don't have footage. So school starts on Monday, and the kids have. Good morning.
Oh no, your batteries are in here, but they're not.
Needs to shape up.
My hair doesn't.
So yeah, school starts on Monday. They have back to school tomorrow on Sunday because you know it's an Adventist church, so they couldn't do it on Friday because that's preparation day. It's an Adventist school, so they have it on Sunday, and today Saturday we're going to church, right? We're going to church. We gotta go. Leah, come on. I need to. Where's my bag? I'm so unorganized.
Me?
I think I'll have to drive because my husband is like, he's so tired. So, which I hate driving with my husband because he's so annoying. He's so annoying because when people drive for a living, they think that they know it all. So, I don't like driving him. That's the only, put another go-go squeeze in here for Maddie. And I need her cup. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Oh, look! Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So we gotta go. I have to catch him and say good morning. I did.
So.
The kitchen is a mess. Good morning, people. I'm trying to find my purse so I can get out of here. Today is Sunday, the day before. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, Pumpkin.
Hi.
Alright, put her down, put her down. It's Sunday before, well, today's back to school night.
Tomorrow we go to school.
And then tomorrow's school.
This is what I literally did.
And then I have to
This is what I literally did.
I have to take Destiny to get her hair washed, blow, get her hair washed, get a blowout, and get a cut on her hair. Cause every year I try to chop off some of the heat damage on her hair because of how bad I messed up her hair. I no longer flat iron her hair at home anymore because of the heat damage. So we're gonna go and they're gonna cut off a big chunk of because her hair is coming in really nicely, and so we're gonna go get it cut off. Oh my gosh, so we're back in the house. We went to back to school night.
We got ice cream.
We got ice cream, got food, all that good
And
stuff.
we played with friends. I have 4 friends.
She has 4 friends. How many kids are in your class?
10.
10. There's 10 kids in Jason, Jordan, and Destiny's class because they're all in the same class because it's 5th and 6th together, and then 1st and 2nd. And I think there's like 10 people in Jackson's class too. So it's a private school. It's very small and it's Christian education, which I've always wanted for these kids. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that.
4 friends.
Start school tomorrow. Hey, say hi. Hi.
Mommy. Wait, now you're not.
What do you have to say? Hi. Anything else you have to say, Maddie? Go on with your bad self. Go on with your bad self. Bring me that bag over there, Maddie. Bring me the Dollar Tree bag.
Mommy.
Hey.
Mommy.
Yes?
I'm going to the garage for a second, okay?
All right. Take the uniform thing. It has your school logo on it. Take it off. I went to the Dollar Tree today, guys, and I got a whole bunch of stuff.
It's supposed to do the side.
Look at Maddie. She nosy.
The side thing's supposed to be here. Probably.
Let me see. Yeah. No. It's supposed to be in the front.
Okay.
Why? This
Because I need.
got some hair bands, like $8 for $1.
They're 8 for.
I know, right? It's really pretty.
All I need is my shoes.
All right, let's see hide your school logo. Put your thing. Okay. Let me see. Oh, it's so pretty.
Nice.
It looks nice.
Yep.
Try the Bermuda shorts on. So yeah, you gave Grandma the stuff.
A lot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Oh my goodness.
Check out the dollar store, people, if you want headbands for your kids. Yeah, you like that? More headbands. Yeah. Got some bun stuff.
Beautiful.
Oh, Destiny, I didn't even show them your hair.
For you?
Now you do.
No, when we came back.
Ribs right now. She's recording. Sorry, guys.
Okay, let her record. What? What do you want to say? Go ahead, talk. Sorry, guys. Maddie picked up the camera and started recording.
For no reason.
And now she wants to cry. What did you want to say? What did you want to say? Here.
Me?
What did you want to say? You don't want to tell them anything? She just wants to whine. Okay. All right. Bye, guys. Say bye. Good morning, guys. It's back to school morning.
Can I put it in here?
Yeah. You guys want eggs for breakfast? All right. Let's do eggs and banana. Eggs, banana. And probably something to drink. So I'm getting ready to make these kids their breakfast so they can get out of my house. We leave at 7:15 so we can get to school by 7:30. School starts at 7:45.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got yourself into.
Oh my gosh, I forgot the camera. Sorry. So the kids are off to school. I need to clean and figure out lunch because they have half day, so I have to figure out a lunch for them when they get home. And also my husband should be home. He's gonna be home way after they get home, probably around 2, almost 3 o'clock. So I don't have to figure out lunch for him, but I have to get dinner going. And I have to go to either Target or Walmart to get them not backpack. Oh, Instagram is so loud. I have to figure out what's on my shirt. I have to go get them lunch boxes. I have lunch containers, but I don't have I didn't get their lunch bags. So I have to go and get 4 lunch bags. I might go to TJ Maxx. I don't know. Depends on who has sale, and I don't have time to be running around trying to figure out who has sales or what. And I didn't place an order through Yum Box because I was procrastinating, and I can't wait for delivery. I need it like tomorrow because tomorrow is their official like back to school, because today is just half day, so they didn't have to take lunch. Say hi. Say good morning. So, and then I have to clean the house. But I just feel so lazy. I feel so lazy. I feel tired. I don't know if it's because I woke up early or what, but I'm just, yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later.
And I'm using the bathroom, Mommy.
These kids' assignment is to bring a picture of the family.
Homework.
Who has picture laying around their house these days?
I do.
Homework, whatever. So I had to go to Walmart. I told you guys I had to go. I forgot the camera
She
again.
literally did this.
Let me see.
Mommy, look, she did this.
So I got the kids' lunch box, lunch bags. I went to Walmart. I don't know if this is gonna fit the Yum boxes, but that's all they had. No, you need food. Go put that back. You need food. Actual food, like a sandwich. And Miss Maddie got 3 pairs of shoe. So I got I forgot, what's her name? The Grants. Kicking it with the Grants. I forgot her name. I'm such a horrible person. But she went to Walmart and said these were on sale for $1. At my Walmart, they're only $3. So either way, it doesn't matter. So I got Miss Madison some for the remaining of the summer and for next year. So, and she got some big foot. You got big foot, Maddie. You got big foot. Big foot. I cleaned my house and look. So I got lunch bags. This is Miss Destiny's lunch bag. This is Destiny's. And it comes with a container, a water bottle, and an ice pack for $10. Not bad. Can't beat that. But I don't think it's going to fit her Yum box. So I need to get her another one. And then I got 2 more Systema for the boys. Because, you know, they lost my containers. And that's it, right? Whose thing is that, Maddie?
I'm going to wash my shoes.
Okay. Whose is that? Whose is that? Is that yours? It's not yours. You don't go to school yet. Is that Daddy?
Nope.
Okay guys, so this is what's on the inside of the lunch bag. It's just this little container, a water bottle, and a ice pack. So, and then Jackson has the same. He has a water bottle, a lunch container.
I just always change
Has
out.
a lunch container and a ice pack. I got Destiny this other one. I think this is more durable. It's not focusing, but whatever.
Check me out.
And I got Jackson. The twins didn't want one. They're so weird.
Jason
I'm like, I'm buying. They're like, no, we don't want them. I was like, okay, whatever. So, yeah. This is Jason's. I wonder what the red one looks like. Let me open this up. My husband is going through a lot right now in terms of, you know, just in general. The whole move for us as a family has been hard. It's been hard, and the adjusting has been hard. You know, the schools here are not amazing. They're not great. They're not amazing. They're not any of that. And I'm just like, my only option is private school, you know, and homeschool, and I can't do homeschool. I don't have the patience for it, you know what I mean? And there's so much projects that I wanted to do with the funds that I used to send my kids to private school that are gonna be put on the back burner, and I'm just like, Lord, please provide. And I know he will, you know, I know he will. And I don't know, I just wanted to talk to you guys, and I want you guys to talk back to me, you know, just engaged, you know, just say something, say hi, say hello. I like talking to you guys in the comment, I do. Of lately, I haven't been responding, and it's because I am busy and just caught up with life, and life is just strangling me, like literally strangling me. But I'm trying to see the positive side, you know, and have hope and not be hopeless, if that makes any sense. So I need my sunshines. I need my sunshines to give me every bit of ray of energy that you have. Just throw it towards me, and I will gladly receive it. And with that said, that's it. I'm gone. See you guys tomorrow. Love each and every one of you.